respectable guy. I got straight A's, you barely passed. You couldn't figure out school, but you still think that you're smart. I majored in science, and you sat through arts. You wanna be a writer, but you're not very good.
He's a conservative.
You went on tour with a band. I had kids, I'm a family man. You're gonna get old, and you live alone, and you fill your house with the records you own. That sounds kinda sad, and I'm not gonna lie. My life would be great, I'm a conservative guy.
He's a conservative.
I'm a respectable guy.
He's a conservative.
Just a respectable guy. You're a flaky liberal dick. I hope you go and drown in the ditch. I hope you throw yourself off a roof, 'cause you're breathing my air, and you're spending my tax while I'm pulling your weight, and I'm scratching your back.
He's a conservative.
I'm a respectable guy.
He's a conservative.
Just a respectable guy.
He's a conservative.
I'm a respectable guy.